Because my girlfriend and I are not breaking up.
Yeah, boy.
No, this is has nothing to do with you. Yeah.
Okay.
Biting your nails, guys. They have like short nails, bro. It's just meat around here, bro. They don't even have nails, bro.
I think from that point of view, 90% of people who once asked for advices, they've never used them. What do you suggest I do? You're gonna tell me, let's say, no, dump hair. I'll listen to you. But
train, you have to eat like in a certain way. You can't just going around eating magwini and whatnot.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I think open relationship, it can be good if it starts as an open relationship. I mean, you can't have someone as a girlfriend and then later on you decide to have an open relationship.
We'll get into today's video, guys. T-shirts are still available, 200 each, 350 for 2. Get yours today. Thank you. Enjoy today's show.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4 of Just Two Buddies. Guys, we wanna say thank you for your likes, your comments on our previous shows. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy this show as well. I'm back again. Oh, we're back again with my buddy in here.
This guy is leaving me, guys. Like, you just wanna run this shit alone, guys.
So
man.
Guys, we're back, and as always, he's gonna introduce himself to you. So I'm Sbusiso Chauke, your host for this show, Just Two Buddies.
Guys, Sithole Mina is my name. If you're new, as I said, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Thank you for the receptions. They say it's receptions, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for coming back. If you are coming back to our show, guys, we've seen some growth. Ever since, we have seen some growth.
It's all thanks to you.
Yeah. Thanks to everyone who's busy watching. Thank you for everyone who's busy commenting. Thank you for sharing. We just gonna keep doing what we have to do. Yeah, man. Educating you guys while you guys are busy sending questions. So yeah, it is what it is. Alright.
Yeah, so as we normally do, just questions for each other, random questions, nothing much. So we've got the first question, of which Sithole will pose for me. So stay tuned.
Aye. Okay, my first question is this, Nesbudane. Would you allow your girl to have OnlyFans page? Or to do OnlyFans content?
Okay, I think that's proper.
Yeah. Do you know what OnlyFans is?
I know.
Yeah.
I know. The answer is no.
Yeah, why not?
I would never allow.
Because I heard like there's like a lot of money on OnlyFans.
I know that
some people
we all live for money.
Some people pay a lot of money just to show your toes. Say, I wanna show. Yeah. It's not about you showing your punani and whatnot. No.
Even a toe.
Yeah. Some people pays like in dollars, bruh. Say, please show your toes and whatnot. Then somebody shows their toes and then they keep sending more money. Okay. Now you show something.
Okay, in that case, if she's gonna be showing toes, I don't mind.
No, but like it's a request from people who have subscribed to her content.
Or maybe someone might ask for...
Yeah. They say, we want to see the Nunu. Hey, Nana. Hey, no Nunu. Someone might say such a thing. Say, show us 1, 2, 3. And some, they might even request her maybe to put some stuff inside her. Like your cucumbers.
Wow.
Yeah.
My girlfriend is mine alone, so whatever I see, I think it's only meant for my eyes.
Damn.
I would never allow such. But to be honest, if it was toes, as Sithole did say, then no problem. But obviously, after some time, I would say,
you have to stop this thing.
We have to stop. Now you've made whatever much you wanted to make. So.
Because when it comes to money, it's never enough.
Yeah, it's never enough.
That's why now you can start by showing toes, from tools is gonna graduate to I don't know, some, you know,
something else.
Yeah.
So
you know.
no, I don't think I can agree to. I mean, if seeing my girlfriend with another guy makes me jealous, so what more about her showing people? Her body?
Damn, that's crazy.
You see, so
I see,
obviously
I see.
I can't have that
Yeah.
people seeing my girlfriend, and then the next thing we are seen together at the mall, and people turn around.
Yeah, like I've subscribed to her content.
That's
Yeah. That's so and so and so. I know she does OnlyFans and whatnot.
So that's not happening. I won't allow my girl to do
Yeah, me too. Hey,
because this is only my view. Maybe she might say I want to do it. So if she wants to do it, then I guess we just
money, guys. Money is evil, guys. People do some crazy stuff just for money. Money.
But can you blame them?
No, I can't, because like all of us were just fighting poverty. So I can't really say, but like I can't advise somebody to do it, ne? But like I can't judge people who are doing it because they have their own reasons for doing such content, you know. Yeah.
And if it was easier to do this, I think everyone would be part of it.
Yeah.
You see, so it's not easy. I think even them, it was a tough decision to
make.
Do I have to do this? I mean, if someone goes to sleep without eating, like for days, months, and then why not? Like any means, guys, to make it out there. So whatever you do,
as long as you do whatever you can, just to put food on the table,
to survive.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So we're not judging.
Guys, we are not judging anyone, but we are just saying that, like, for me, if my lady comes and propose OnlyFans and says, yo, baby, I heard that there's a lot of money on OnlyFans, even if like it's not like they're doing like sex, they're not sex workers. You are just putting stuff inside you, or you do what people request for you to do with your body, because it's not actually like sex. OnlyFans is not just like sex things, you know. So it is what it is, guys. But like, if it's working for you, good for you. Continue, as long as you're making money out of it. Why not? There's like a lot of people who are crazy, who are walking around naked and whatnot, and they're not even getting anything. So, but like, if you can get naked and get money, it is what it is.
Makes sense.
Jonathan, just imagine, there's a lot of people who are sick out here, who are like, bro, like, people are walking around naked here. Some of them, they have stolen somebody's properties. They, there's a lot, bro. So some people have killed people. They're walking around naked. We see them here. But just imagine if you can drive a car just for you to be naked. You can sleep in a mansion just for you to be naked. There's a lot. But if it's working for you, kudos for you. But for me,
so tell us your views on that comment section.
Comment in the comment section, guys. What would you do if your lady or your man propose? Because even guys do OnlyFans.
They do.
So if your guy or your lady propose to do an OnlyFans content, would you allow it or not? Please comment down, guys, on the comment section, guys.
Thank you.
Aye.
So thanks for that question, Mr. Sithole. My question to you now is, I've heard we have what we call BBL.
Brazilian butt lift.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a Brazilian butt lift.
I didn't know. I've always known
it's a BBL.
Yeah.
But like, you didn't know, like, what does this BBL mean?
Yeah, I know that BBL stands for something, but I didn't know it was.
Because I think the Brazilians, they're the ones who does it better. Even Turkey and whatnot, but like, it's a BBL. Brazilian butt lift.
So with regards to ladies, women who do that, like, what's your take on that?
Man, I think these are the women who are seeking for attention. These are the women who are
not happy enough about
exactly. People who are not happy with their lives. Because for you to put stuff inside you so that thing can jiggle, like, it's something else, bro. And those things, the more you become fat, because you have to maintain it.
How do you maintain that?
Like you have to train, you have to eat like in a certain way. You can't just going around eating magwing and whatnot.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, yeah, you have to cut down on your chips and whatnot. Anything that have like fats in it, you must stay away. You must eat your veggies and whatnot. So actually, you must become a goat or something. You
So
must
what
eat.
happens when you
Yeah.
don't stick to, let's say, diet? Maybe you
You-
eat your fats
Yeah.
and everything. What happens to your BBL?
Remember, somebody injected you with this oil inside you, which is your body didn't produce these things. So meaning it's gonna just keep getting bigger and bigger and big, and we don't know what damages these things is causing. There was this thing on ETV. I think it was is it Bosch or what? Where like a lot of people who did your BBL and everything, they took it to the next level.
Okay.
Some of them it's even affected them on the intestine and everything because all these fats are busy moving around, you know. So guys, like for BBL, bro, like I can say for slave queens it does work, right? Because you want to go out there and attract these guys or these men who or these sugar daddies who have money and whatnot. So it is nice, but for a short period of time. You know, what are you gonna do with that BBL? You have to go and squash that. So it means you're always going under a knife. It's all about operation after operations.
So whenever you do those operations or your checkups, do you pay money?
Yeah, you're 100,000, bro. More than 100,000, bro. I think proper BBL. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, on the comment section. I think start from your 70-something thousand.
Just
Just to go and go under a knife, bro.
people have got money out here, guys.
Yeah,
Yo.
just to look good, just to attract someone who will not even marry you, cause it's just for time being. Like maybe you want to impress ballers on the clubs when you're going to the clubs. So when they're busy pumping your aces of spades, so they can call you, oh, come here, and then you went there, you're busy jiggling, you're busy shaking your ass there, doing what to do.
I gotta give this to women.
No, women are strong. Hey, bro, women are strong, bro. I'm telling you, yo.
The things they do for love. And
Yo, bro.
Women are very strong. Yo, guys, you are very strong.
Yo, guys, ladies, I salute. Ladies, I salute. Bro.
Now, me saying you're strong, like pregnancy comes to mind. I mean, you carry your child for 9 months, and then you have to give birth. And I've heard that giving birth is the second, if not the first, the second most painful thing ever.
Damn.
So just imagine you give birth, do your BBL, like all those things. Just goes to show how strong you are.
Yeah, man, and just imagine you go now. Let's say maybe she's been hustling or she's been working to get this BBL. They say, okay, go to Turkey or go to whatever. She go under a knife. Only to find out like now the BBL is not done correctly and whatnot. She must go and pay another money to fix that thing to be molded the way she will attract more people. Bro,
women are strong, as we did say. And next month is Women's Month.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's
August.
August.
Oh, okay.
So I think just two buddies. Maybe we need some lady in
Yeah, man. Yo, guys, if on the next show, we can even say if you're around Soweto, guys, you want to join us on our show, please, guys, DM us. The numbers busy passing down here. Just DM us if you want to be part of our show. For next month.
Because the name says
is it the Women's Month or
Women's Month?
Women's Month, eh? Yeah, for Women's Month, or maybe we can just have the whole August. The whole August. Please, guys, come through. Let's sit down, let's chit chat, let's hear what you guys go through.
Because you see now we're having a conversation about BBL,
and we don't even have this thing.
There's no lady in here to, I don't know, correct us.
Because
we guys, we're gonna say whatever we feel like.
But we need like a second voice that's gonna say, yo, guys, that's not how these things. So please, guys, if you're around Soweto, come through, guys. Text us on WhatsApp, then we're gonna reply so we can sit down and have this chat.
Yeah, we've got enough space for you in here.
Even on the other side, we're gonna use 2 cameras.
Okay.
It's okay. We can use the other camera, then the other one is gonna face us. It's either we're gonna have like one lady here, then it's gonna be you there or me there, then another lady.
Okay.
Even if it's 2.
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah. So yeah, man.
Okay.
So another question. I got a question for you guys.
Okay.
I wrote this one down, guys. Ne? What addiction is the hardest to quit?
This one, we've got different kind of addictions.
Yeah, of course.
There's gambling.
Of course.
There's drinking.
Yeah.
There's drug.
Yeah.
And there's, my gents. You know this one. This one I don't even have to say. You know it very well.
Which one is this one now? Which one is this one?
You know it.
Yeah.
I know they know.
Yeah.
Even you.
Which one is this one? This guy is just accusing us, gents.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
This one, guys, no need to say. No need for me to say. This one, guys.
Yeah.
And obviously with drug addiction, I don't do drugs.
Yeah.
So I know there's addiction for that, but
Yeah.
I don't do drugs.
Yeah, we see your alostros busy relapsing back to drugs. We have Sia.
Another one I said it's gambling.
Gambling.
I do gamble Betway, but I'm not addicted.
Yeah. Betway, come through. Sponsor our show so we can talk about you guys. Yeah.
And I said drinking. Nah,
alcohol.
I won't say I'm addicted to drinking. Maybe in a month I only drink
like once. Yeah, I see.
And then this one that I said, Majita knows it.
Yeah.
This one is an addiction.
Which one is that?
I don't have to say.
We wanna know.
You know it.
Which one? I don't know.
Okay, it's fine. If you don't know it, the guys will
comment in the comment section.
They'll comment and they'll know about it. Yeah, so that's where I'm stopping. You know, guys, right? Yes, I know you do.
Yeah. So, for me, the hardest addiction to quit, of course, your gamblings and drugs is out there. But like something that like people don't maybe realize that it's an addiction. It's eating your nails, biting your nails.
Okay.
Biting your nails, guys, it's something else. I see a lot of people, they have like short nails. Bro, it's just meat around here, bro. They don't even have nails, bro.
I think from that point of yours, it gets me to this thing of what do they call it?
I don't know, but like chewing your tongue or something.
Yeah, chewing your tongue. I think that's an addiction too.
It's an addiction.
I've seen because one does it for 5 minutes and then the next thing, maybe let's say 20 seconds, they stop. After some time they realize that no man, I'm not doing what I'm used to.
Then you go back to guys, there's a lot of addiction, bro.
I didn't know it was
part of addiction. But beside the one that like maybe people have taken like substances and everything, now I'm talking about like the like just a normal addiction. As much as you're saying biting your some people bite their lips until they bleed, bro. Like bro, there's a lot of addiction out there, bro.
Now I wanted to ask, like, how does that kind of addiction starts? But obviously you don't do that.
Oh, you mean eating your nails and whatnot?
But I don't think you'll know because it's something that you don't do.
Okay, to ladies, this one is for ladies, right? You see, that's why we say we need ladies, guys. So my question is this: I know even guys does
nail biting.
but chow their nails and whatnot. But like for ladies, how do you put your manicures and whatnot if you have that addiction? Like bro,
I'm not a girl.
Yeah.
But I think no one can ever do manicures if they bite their nails. There's no way. I mean, if you do your manicures, that means you're gonna have long nails.
Yeah.
So obviously you can't eat your nails if you've done your manicures.
That's crazy.
Plus,
bro.
I believe with the manicures they've got, I don't know if there's some kind of substance.
You're
not supposed
I see.
I see. So I don't think you can do your manicure whereas you are addicted.
You have
to
that
nail.
addiction.
I think this is for people who are
Guys, whoever that have like an addiction for eating your nails and whatnot, please comment in the comment section. How do you put your manicures and whatnot, or Q-tags? Are you always eating these Q-tags, or what's going on, guys? We wanna know, guys. Please comment in the comment section, guys. Like, I'm worried, bro. Just imagine you are nice and whatnot, you just finished doing your nails and whatnot.
Do you know someone who does that, like, personally?
No, but like I've seen a lot of people.
Oh, you've seen.
Cause like cause lot of people on my circle, they doesn't. Yeah, but like I've seen it when I'm busy traveling and what, like people don't have nails at all, bro. Just meat, like, yo, bro, just like a tiny nail that is left there, and I sure it is painful because you can't even do your washing if you're not using like a washing machine or something.
You know, I think if I could, I think I would eat my nails too, because every week here am I with my nail cutter. Like it gets tiring.
No, but like what I mean, dog.
It gets tiring. I think if you eat your nails, you don't
but,
have any stress.
Okay, I understand. Firstly, you are just cutting your nails and everything, meaning each and every your fungal, your whatever that you're busy touching, because you can't say when you want to chew your nails you're gonna go and wash your hands and then come back and eat your nails. So it means now you are putting a lot of things inside your mouth. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Germs.
All these germs, all this bacteria that you're busy touching, bro.
But obviously, you know, with germs, germs is something that we don't see. Yes,
I understand, but like you just, bro, even flu, you can infect yourself very easily. You just get out of a taxi like now. How many people are busy handling that? Yeah, dog. Then after that, just put it in your mouth.
I think, as I did say, that germs is something that we don't see.
Yeah.
And I think, I don't know if it's black people. But there's just something, man. Like, as long as you don't see something,
you don't believe in it.
Yeah, like icona.
But
you don't.
But that's why even when you check the infection and whatnot, it's either it's your HIV, it's either it's your STIs and everything. Mostly people who are infected is black people, because we don't believe on things that it's out there and it's happening.
What the fuck? No, it can't be black people only.
But like you're the ones he gave the example of black people.
No, but
so I'm with you. I agree with you. That's why I'm leaning into that one. I was like, that's why even if you can check on the high rate of your STIs, your HIVs and whatnot, it's us. Because as much as you are saying that like we don't believe on such and such, I agree with you. That's why most of us who are infected is black. It's people with color, because we don't believe on such a thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get your point.
Yeah.
So I've got another question.
He hit me with it.
So obviously, as a boyfriend and girlfriend, there comes a point where you use your girlfriend's phone.
Yeah, of course.
You don't even have to ask for permission.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Hey babes, please give me a phone. Okay, I wanna copy like some numbers and whatnot here and there. Yeah,
and then one day you come across a conversation between your girlfriend and some guy in jail.
Yeah.
And you could see from that conversation that something is going on.
Yeah. Is it something going on or something was going on?
It can be
either way.
Yeah, either.
Okay.
And then you see that, like, what's your reaction? Like, what do you do in that situation?
Okay, I take my girl's phone, go through it, or I'm not even going through it, I just borrow it. Let's say there's a message that just came in now. Ding! So then I can see maybe they're busy flirting to each other and whatnot. First thing first, I'll like, okay, maybe I'll have to ask her, what does she want? Because some people are.
What does she want from
our relationship? Where are we going with this thing?
Okay.
That's the first question that I'm gonna ask you.
Okay.
Or like, where are we going with this relationship? So, firstly, I would like her to, if she's gonna lie, she have to lie in front of my eyes, saying, you know me, I love you, boom, boom, boom. If not, I was like, and I can ask this question without being aggressive or anything. Just be calm about it. Like just chilling and say, yo, babes, like to be honest, just where are we going? Are you still with me, or maybe we've been together for 5 years or 5 months or whatnot? Are we still having like a same vision with this relationship thingy? And see a reaction. Then after that, that's what I'm gonna go through with my question. I see you and Joe, you guys are busy flirting to each other here and there. Like, are you guys going somewhere with these things? Because me, I can't share you, or I'm not a sharing type.
But one thing you must know.
Actually, what I'm trying to ask her is that, like, she must choose
between you and...
Yeah, because I can see, like, she's busy flirting with this person.
But you know how women are. I think I've grown to a point where I've realized or get to know how women
act.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Women are very convincing. Very convincing.
Yeah.
I think they can convince you otherwise. Obviously, as a guy, when you go to a girl, maybe with that intention of... You might come back weaker.
Or maybe understanding what she told you.
Yes, that's the way I was looking.
Okay. On that point where you're going, that's why it is very important, ne? If you're a guy who have like friends, just learn to share things. So this is how you create a scenario.
Share things with your friends.
Yes.
About your relationship.
Listen, you create a scenario and say, yo, my guy, if you were on this situation, what would you do? I'm not saying my chick is doing whatever. Oh, just say, there's a guy who phoned me.
Do you know, I believe 90% of people who once asked for advices, they've never used them.
I understand.
Because I can come to you and say, yo, and then put it straight to you, not beat around the bush.
Yeah.
Like, I'll tell you straight that my girlfriend does 1, 2, 3. Like, what do you suggest I do? You're gonna tell me, let's say, no, dump her. I'll listen to you, but definitely I'm not gonna hear anything.
Yeah, it is gonna be easier for me to say leave her and whatnot because I'm not in your shoes. But what I'm trying to say, hence I'm saying, first thing first, before emotions and everything, just create a scenario. Just like if ever you don't want to go through with this thing, because there's like an open relationship, people have open relationship, you can go and do you, I'll go and do me, but me and you will still stand for this thing.
Okay,
so
that's not easy, no?
Open relationship,
it's not easy.
but people are doing it now.
I think open relationship, it can be good if it starts as an open relationship. I mean, you can't have someone as a girlfriend and then later on you decide to have an open relationship.
Damn, I like that.
So if you start together and say, let's be in an
open relationship,
then I think
it must be like that.
Yeah,
I see.
If you start being a couple, and then after some time you
are like, yo, this thing is no longer working now. Can we allow other people to interfere on our relationship? You can go. Yeah, it's right, guys. Yo, damn, I never saw it in that way. So, okay, what would you do if
I find that she's
busy texting with someone or flirting with someone?
Okay, number one. Women don't just do things for the sake of it. Chances are she does this because you did the same thing. Okay. So it's
or maybe she just don't want you anymore, but she's afraid to tell you.
No, not that.
Yeah.
I think.
Are you saying we women are not capable of cheating? They cheat just because something happens to them. Are you saying that?
No. What I'm saying is.
Okay.
The reason you find a guy talking to your woman, just know for sure that it's because of something that you did. Chances are.
Meaning it might be like maybe I'm giving her terrible sex or something.
No, not that. Maybe she saw your DM as well. And then they chose to keep quiet about it.
So now are you saying women are good with revenge than just to starting off, like they don't just start these cheating things?
Yes.
It comes from some way.
Yes, women are good at revenge. that even I've heard Baku, women are so good in revenge that even Satan, like,
surrenders.
like no, he just chills there and watch women and
How they play this game.
Yeah, cause the women,
You can raise a child for 21 years and tell you after 25 years, they're like, yo, that this is so and so's child. No, I see.
So if a girl cheats or does whatever she does, definitely you are the reason. Like, they don't do things for the sake of it.
Damn.
You are the reason they do this. Maybe
guys, comment in the comment section there.
Yeah, but I think it's because of you. Maybe they saw something, and unlike us, you said you're gonna confront your girl. That's what you said.
Yeah.
Women don't do that. They're gonna see what they saw. It's fine.
And keep it moving as if like they saw nothing.
Damn. I've heard some lady saying that what they do, they break up with you
while they are still in a relationship.
Yes.
That's cool.
They learn to detach from
you. While they are still with you.
Yeah. And the day they decide
leave,
to tell you that
they already left you.
I'm gone.
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Oh my gosh! They already left you long time ago.
That's how women are.
Damn, women are dangerous.
Hey, they are. So guys, if you find yourself a good woman, a good girlfriend, you
appreciate her, respect
her. Damn. Like even myself. I may say this, but you never know. As we did say that women are. But I think I've found someone like.
Oh, you can say, yo, I got like a good woman.
Yeah, that's what I think. You can never know what you can do tomorrow.
Yeah. And just sorry to cut you off, there's a saying that like, yo, you must enjoy each and everything, while it's still there. So for you to say such a compliment, saying yo, I may not know what my religion is doing, but I think I have found someone who I can say I have to respect this person, I have to do this and this, which is good, because bro, if ever we live with doubts and everything, we'll never enjoy anything in life. We will never enjoy anything, bro. So for you, man, like, yo, big up to you, big up for you for saying it louder. Yo, my leadership is so and so. Even if, let's say, God forbid it's end, at least you have enjoyed that part and you have seen it.
Yeah.
So before it happens, just enjoy this relationship while you still can.
And speaking of my relationship, I think if there's anyone out there who thinks that there's no true love, I think you're just lying to yourself. Yeah. There is.
You're just convincing yourself that there's not. Maybe because maybe a lot of people have broke your heart and whatnot, then you now you feel like it means, meaning it's not like you don't really believe in it, you are using emotions, what happened to you, so now you are using that thing to criticize true love, saying this thing doesn't exist.
There is true love, but
I got another question for you. Sorry to
is it the last question for the day?
Yeah, maybe this one is the last one, right?
Okay.
If you broke up with your girl, right, broke up with your girl and everything, right, maybe she's still maybe at her mom's place or whatnot, you are still at your place. Let's say she used to come over, sleep over and whatnot. She have left her clothes and whatnot. What do you do with her clothes
when we break up?
Yeah, now it's child now, like you guys are done. What do you do with the clothes?
Okay, I'll answer that question as a question.
Okay.
Because my girlfriend and I are not breaking up.
Yeah, boy.
No, this has nothing to do with you.
Yeah. I mean, it's the clothes. We've enjoyed each other by the time we were still in a relationship. So it really doesn't matter how we break up, whether good or bad. But it's her clothes of the world. So obviously she has to come and take her clothes.
She's pulling up with some nigga, dog.
No, she has to.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't be taking her clothes where she stays.
Yeah.
I mean, she's the one
who came with the clothes over.
So I think she has to come and collect her clothes. And if she wants me to be to be absent when she comes to collect.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's
As long as she
Yeah.
has the keys to my room, it's fine. She can get in, take
no way, bro. I'm not allowing that. If I'm not there, oh no, you can't come. You can't come over. I'm changing locks. I'm changing everything. What if like she even take things that doesn't even belong to her? Nah, bro. You broke up with me and then tomorrow you says, yo, on Wednesday I'm coming to take my clothes and whatnot. Yet I know that maybe I'll be working. I won't be around. I'm changing locks, bro.
So what do you do? Do you take it, or do you want her to come when you're around?
Yes, so I can know exactly what she's taking, what she's not taking. Hey, I don't trust people like that. You already broke up with this person,
but
yet she still have your key.
You can't say you can't trust this person. I mean, this person was once your girlfriend.
Yes, but now it's shy now.
It's shy, yes,
Yeah.
but you mean like maybe let's say a week after you breaking up, do you think she can change to be a bad person?
We just said women are capable of doing something very, very, very out of line. I've seen people, Baba, putting your mayonnaise on top of the bed, trying to. I saw ladies losing it just because of somebody cheated. What about if you guys have broken up? What do you think she can do?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yo, bro, yo, bro. You'll find each and everything, Baba, with the Caesar there, Baba, hanging, Baba.
Or maybe you can come to an agreement. You get someone to take her clothes where she stays. I don't know. Yeah.
Or else you rather Uber her clothes back to but not her coming through. I'm not allowing such thing, bro.
But it's not a bad thing, just for you to see each other for the last time.
Yeah, and do what?
No, just say thank you for
for the service. Thank you for the service.
Thank you for the love.
Nah, man, I'm not doing that. I don't want to lie to you, dog. I ain't doing that shit, dog.
Okay, well, if that's your...
If we broke up, you are coming to my house to collect your stuff, yet I'm there. If I'm not, and you say on Wednesday, you are the one even emphasizing on Wednesday, I'm putting up at your place to come and collect my stuff. I have the key.
But you can't tell me that after a week of breakup and then you're done with it. Obviously, there's still that love.
Nah, even if, but like it will depend on what kind of a breakup are you guys. Or what happened that leads to this breakup thingy.
Nowadays it's easy to break up. Smaller things.
Yeah. WhatsApp message.
Oh, smaller things. You know. Mina. How you text me on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
If how you text is something that I hate.
Yeah. You want reply?
I think I can end the relationship.
Guys, this guy is very weird, guys. If he sends you a text and then you just write K, you don't say okay and elaborate or something. Get pissed, this guy.
It's the same with people say, like someone who starts a conversation.
Yeah.
Hi, Sithole. And then you say, "Wena, I'm good. How are you?" And they say, "I'm good." Like it irritates me.
So you just want somebody to get to the point.
Someone who knows how to keep a conversation
going.
Like when I say this, you say this.
Yeah.
I can't be saying how was your day and say good.
But like, okay, what if let's say I'm still busy with something, but I just wanna
tell me that you're busy. It's only fair. Say I'm busy. Can you please talk an hour later? It's fine. If an hour later you're not back, I'm not texting. You said an hour later. So I'm gonna have to wait until you come back. So guys, texting, it's a two-way thing. Like I can't be the only one trying to.
But it's not like the other person on the other side is not like he or she's not replying.
They are replying, but how are you replying? Do you know that the messages that you're getting from that someone, they may be cold, but definitely sure she's texting someone and they're having a smooth conversation. So why not do it with me? You see? Why not?
I never seen it in that.
So I hate cold conversation.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
yo, like it for me
Irritate you.
Yeah, it does, and I just feel like maybe this person doesn't want to talk to me. Pella, as a person, you must I don't know what's the word. You must try to put yourself in that person's shoes.
Yeah.
How they text, like
how they
it
reply.
must tell you now. I don't know.
This person is willing to talk or not.
This person is willing to talk to me or not. And if they are not willing, like you don't have to force yourself.
You are like, "Hi, kudos, I'm out."
Yeah, you can ask for a number from a girl, and then she gives you, and then you chat. If you see that she's cold,
yeah,
delete
you're
the
like,
number.
"Yeah, you know what? It's okay."
You see.
Then she'll check your status, like she no longer see your status.
You delete the number. Same day you that.
Yeah.
Delete
You're
it.
like, "Yeah, I'm out."
Yeah, because chatting is a two-way thing. If you're not showing any interest, then it's fine. We don't have to talk. But why was the reason you gave me your number?
If you ne?
Maybe some give you your number just so you can.
You can leave them alone or something.
They know that maybe after some time they're gonna block you.
Yeah.
So I think we've come to
man.
the end of our conversation.
So please leave a comment on the comment section, guys. If you need anything, guys, what we did chat about, your BBLs, your addictions, what's your addiction, please comment in the comment section, guys. And how can or maybe how did you get rid of your addiction? What was your addiction, and how did you get rid of your addiction? Please comment in the comment section so you can help others as well to, if they have like a similar addiction that you had and stuff. And then comment on the comment section if you had a BBL and then you have removed it. Like, how's that process, guys? As we said, guys, please, we need 2 ladies, guys, for August, right?
Yeah, next month.
Yeah, for next month, guys, so we can have like a 2-way thinking. As he said, it's a 2-way conversation, so we can know what ladies think, how do they behave, how do we go through whatever together, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Press the notification bell, guys, so every time when we drop, so you can be notified. We are out. That was just 2 buddies.